also the time that we had 6 months of sitting at home. There was a lot of volcanoes that were building inside. I thought it was ripe time also to come and do it here now. Uh,
So when this opportunity came along and Ashok sent a mail saying, there's a master practitioner's course, um, and so I jumped right into it because I knew it would bring some kind of healing.
This was my third workshop with Ashok, and it's become something that I really look forward to.
It was really a great experience being by the farm in nature, the trek that we did, and literally seeing it from a different perspective was great. And really, what worked most for me was spending time with the children and even trying to consciously model them. I think I'm taking back a lot of lessons of a lifetime.
Having the family around, you learn how to not only model other people who are not necessarily a part of the workshop, but you also learn to coexist. Right? There are children playing around. You learn how to not get distracted and focus on what you need to do. So it was a major change from what we have been living our lives in, and adapting to a new lifestyle, a new way of learning completely. And of course, the content that Ashok had chosen was really wonderful. I personally am taking home a lot of things.
I come to these workshops to get nudged subtly and loudly, both ways, yeah. And I'm not disappointed this time also. And I have received inputs on my behavior as a person, my behavior as a family member, my behavior as a mother, my behavior as a manager or a leader at work. So I have received feedback and a way forward idea on all of these fronts, and I was challenged to think differently to my core beliefs about myself.
Uh, I don't remember when was the last time that I've slept so well. I definitely don't remember when was the last time that I pushed my body to do the yoga, all the various asanas of the yoga. I don't remember when was the last time that I successfully managed to trek up a mountain. So my mind has been transformed, my body has been transformed, my learning abilities have been transformed. So in all aspects, there has been a change that I have felt within me.
Coming here after years now, every time I'm going through a big change, I think of Ashok. So I came here and he is really walking the talk. How he lives, what food he organized for us, the family, the love with which Priya took care of us, and the way the kids were involved. Now that um, Vipasha is like 12 now, and she has so much to share. And you see the impact of homeschooling, you know. They're not like regular kids. They're free, wild, exploring so much to give, so much to share, and always open to receiving.
Being with Ashok, he is so unassuming, and you cannot. He will teach you in such subtle ways that you will not even realize when you've learned the concept. I mean, where he started off, where he ended, the way he forms, he weaves in his stories while talking to us. I mean, there is always something that we are getting out of each and every word that he speaks.
So I get here, I feel the feedback that I get, or the nudges that I get, or the learning that I get is really to help me move forward. So that's why I keep coming back here. Otherwise, for me, coming back second time to somebody's workshop, somebody really has to be phenomenal. So I have come back here like fifth time now. So it there has to be something really phenomenal here that I come back, and I love the whole ecosystem, the space, the family. Uh, yeah, that's why I come back here.
The most hilarious concept that we learned was the provocative coaching. I mean, every time I even just think about that session, I can't stop smiling. The the amazing portion that we came up with, the amazing ideas that we came up with, it was really something different.
Uh, Two things that I'm carrying back, which made bigger impact for me, would be one was neurological levels and how it ties into the modeling. I think that was very clear, and how it gets utilized in various pieces of NLP work. I think that was something that learning I'm taking back, and it also helps me to explore inside. It also helped me reflect inside to see what in the other person am I ready to model, and how am I going to do that. How we don't have to take in the whole personality, but a bit of it that we really think is useful to us.
Particularly for me, because I'm looking to work with communities and local communities and help them connect to sustainable goals and, to water and sanitation related goals. A big challenge is on how decisions could be made. And there, sociocracy plays a big role. And I feel like the approach to sociocracy is very well aligned to how nature functions, which is circular, which is, if you see in nature, there is no CEO or like a director to the movie.
Yeah.
And yet everything is in harmony, right? And that is so well aligned with sociocracy's principles. So it was all in all a great experience. I have a lot of homework to do. And I would say it is a master practitioner's course, but it is also a starting point for a lot of us. Yeah.
I think for me to run this program here, it would have not been possible unless you all came for it. Hmm. And especially when the world is full of COVID restrictions, and very brave of you to, I was expecting that people will cancel, and then till after 3 months, 4 months of wait, that give me my money back, But people were like, when is the date? Don't delay it anymore, So then I said, okay, now people are ready, then what is the point, that, we should just go ahead. So thank you for coming. And then obviously I make all these iterations of setting up here with the bees and mosquitoes and, all that. And I have some crazy design thinking, okay, they have to be outdoor, not the indoor and all of that. But you really take it on, you really, gel with me as much as you could bear. Whether it is yoga or the trek or the, and then see the good side of it. And then I think you were very kind with me all the time. So thank you for that. Without that, I could not done.